Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. 1971 Ford F-100 4x4 is a true American classic, a rugged workhorse that combines timeless design with dependable performance. Launched during an era when trucks were transitioning from strictly utilitarian to more versatile vehicles, the F-100 4x4 stood out as a bold statement of strength, style, and capability. Under the hood, the 1971 Ford F-100 could be equipped with a range of engine options, including the powerful 360 cubic inch V8, which offered excellent torque for towing and hauling. Mated to either a manual or automatic transmission, the F-100 delivered smooth yet robust power, ideal for both farm duties and weekend adventures. The four-wheel drive system gave it serious off-road capabilities, allowing owners to tackle rough terrains, muddy trails, or snow-covered roads with confidence. In terms of design, the F-100 from 1971 sported the classic lines of the fifth-generation F-Series, with a squared-off body, simple yet bold front grille, and functional styling cues. The front bumper was made of solid chrome, wide and durable, providing both protection and a strong visual presence. On the sides, clean contours and crisp edges gave the truck a commanding look. Around back, the tailgate was stamped with the Ford lettering, a signature feature of the era, with a durable rear bumper that was optional for many trims but often installed for utility and appearance. The back price or rear value of the F-100 4x4 has only grown over the years. As a collectible, it holds strong appeal for classic truck enthusiasts, especially those who appreciate vintage 4x4 capabilities. Restored models can fetch high prices on the market, depending on condition, originality, and customization. The rear-end design, with its simple yet strong structure, lends itself well to restoration and modification. Many owners today upgrade the rear bumper with modern towing hitches while preserving the vintage style. The 1971 launch of the 4x4 variant was significant. Although Ford had been producing 4x4 trucks prior to this, by the early 70s, consumer demand for factory-equipped four-wheel drive trucks had grown. Ford answered with the F-100 4x4, offering ruggedness without sacrificing comfort or drivability. This model quickly gained a loyal following, especially among outdoor enthusiasts, contractors, and those living in rural or mountainous areas. It was a dependable companion, capable of carrying heavier loads, pulling trailers, or climbing rocky paths with ease. What makes the 1971 Ford F-100 4x4 especially iconic today is its balance of old-school toughness and classic charm. Unlike many modern trucks that focus heavily on technology and luxury, the F-100 4x4 reminds us of a time when trucks were built to last, with simple mechanics and genuine grit. Whether restored to factory perfection or customized into a lifted off-road machine, the 71 F-100 continues to turn heads and win hearts. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. For collectors, builders, or anyone who loves vintage American steel, the 1971 Ford F-100 4x4 isn't just a truck, it's a legend that lives on in garages, shows, and trails across the country.